So the biggest thing that we always try and push here at Winders Rec is customer satisfaction. Needs of the customer come first. Figuring out what they need and the best way to help them find that. Whether it's with an exact replica part or an aftermarket part because they no longer can get that. I'd say the biggest thing is just listening to their needs and then finding them the best option for what they're looking for.
Kind of anything and everything you can think of we're able to do, and we have a great team in our production department, so if we've never done it before, usually we can figure out how. Different colored seats, different styles of seats, 2-passenger, 4-passenger, sound bars, light bars, underglow, if you want different headlights, lift kits, off-road tires, street tires, different rims, brush guards, running boards.
We do allow for speakers. All of our golf carts have mirrors, and then some of our golf carts even have a rear view mirror. You don't really see that with a lot of golf carts. A lot of our golf carts also have backing cams. You know, if a customer wants a modification made to their golf cart, we are going to go ahead and make that modification to the golf cart. And you know, a lot of places don't offer full customization like we do.
We are different from our competitors in a big way because of our parts department. The vast amount of parts that we carry on hand allows us to turn around service carts quickly and efficiently because we're not waiting for parts. Sometimes parts can take months to arrive from the manufacturer to us, which makes it really difficult to turn around carts in an efficient manner if we're waiting for parts. So having those parts here and on hand and ready to go saves us a lot of time.